everybody, it's me, Emily. I just wanted to give you a little room tour today because I'm moving out of this room in 2 days because I just finished finals and everything. But I honestly loved living here a bunch. I love the way I decorated it and everything, so I wanted to record that kind of just for myself and also to share with the world. So here it is. Okay, first, here is a little overview of my room in a very wide angle. I feel like this makes it look way bigger than it actually is. Before we begin, I'd like to formally apologize for the men yelling outside my window. I have the pool right there, so it's loud almost always. So, first my door. So I have my little hat rack here, and then I just keep all my tote bags on here, then this little bag underneath, and then I keep silver jewelry here, gold jewelry here, and then I have this little painting that I got the idea from a painting I saw on Pinterest, and I don't remember the artist's name, but I'll put it on the screen here. Next, down here, I have my really messy cart. I have my really dusty fan, and I just have masks, these two little bears over here, just a lot of random stuff here, and then like moisturizer and deodorant, the day-to-day stuff here. And then, you can't see it at this angle, but the bottom shelf has a bunch of painting supplies, so this is just boring, purely utility, not very design-oriented over here, but... Okay, next is my desk. This is possibly my favorite part of the room. That's one thing about this room is I feel like there are so many different parts that I would say are my favorite part. I honestly can't choose, but this is definitely a top contender. I just have a lot of plants and a lot of lights. So like over here I have fake succulent, real pothos, essential oil diffuser, a little desk lamp that's mostly just, you know, pens and scissors and boring stuff back there, but this is a very good light to do my makeup when it's dark out. I have my Christmas lights plugged in over here and my makeup stuff, my Himalayan salt lamp over here, and then some fake flowers, another fake plant. I have Jeffrey, this little man in a coffin that I got at a thrift store when I first moved here. Dollar store candle. I have two plants up here. On the left we have Edith, and then on the right we have Ruth. Ruth was the first big plant that I got in this apartment. I think I got her over a winter break maybe, and yeah, she's still alive and well. And then right next to my desk I have my tapestry, and it's attached with like Velcro command strips, so I can take it down, and when I want to use my projector I put my projector on this wall. So that's my little desk area. Okay, next is my bed. This is another one of my favorite parts of the room, partially because it is insanely comfortable, but partially because I just think it's really cute. So I have my comforter from Target. This blanket is from Marshall's. This blanket is UGG. Pillow covers are IKEA. Vines are Amazon. This little garland here is a dried citrus garland that's supposed to be a Christmas decoration, I think, but if you put it on a pink string, then it looks summery. So that I really like, and I like that the pink and the orange kind of bring in the colors in the butterfly bowl that Caroline got me. So I like that, like, I feel like the color scheme in my room is all over the place, but there's like little things like that that kind of tie into each other, so I think that's really fun. I also have that little armrest thing from Target, I think, and then I have Eeyore joining me, and then my little collage of friend pictures over there. My next favorite part of my room, hopefully this lighting isn't completely awful, but it probably is, so I'm just gonna keep going anyway. This is my whole window area. I have my little nightstand right here. It's very messy, honestly. I just have like my journal, a book that I never read, a bunch of jewelry, my jar of coffee, and a cup of water, a dead plant that was named Barbara, but she is no longer, my little mushroom lamp from IKEA that I love. Over here I have these little heart window stickers that I got from the dollar section at Target around Valentine's Day. I have my little vases of fake flowers. The vases are from Cost Plus, the flowers are from the Dollar Tree. Up here, I love this part. I have these little, they're actually ornaments, but I just hung them this way so you can't really tell. They're disco balls. And sometimes, at very certain times when the light hits right, it reflects on the ceiling all pretty. And then over here I have my little light catchers, and with the way the sun comes in my room, they only make rainbows from like 8 to 10 a.m. which a lot of the time I'm asleep for, but you know what, it just makes waking up early even more special. Oh, and I'll show you my view. I absolutely love my view. I love having the pool here and the mountain. I did a lot of research when I picked this apartment, and I wanted to make sure that we had like the optimal view, optimal lighting. Here it is. Now to the right, we have my giant dresser and a little plant, and then my mirror. This is where I take all my incredibly sexy outfit pictures. And then I have this little painting from Caroline over here that is the same design as my tapestry, so I love that. And then we have my little collage over here, but I will get into that. Okay, now this is, I guess, the last part of my room that I will be showing you. But this is my little collage of all my favorite albums and favorite movies. So I have 25 albums and then 8 movies. I have them kind of color coded, so like the movies it goes like from blue to yellow to red, and then here it's like kind of like there's like the white and gray and black here, and then there's like the orange and then the blue and the pink here a little bit. It's kind of all over the place, I'm aware. I like things in someone's room when you can tell that it's their room. Like even if there weren't any pictures of them or anything in the room, there's like something in the room that makes you know that it's their room. This is that for me, I think, and kind of all of it, but I feel like this probably says the most. So yes, here it is. One quick thing that I forgot to mention is just that I love the way this room looks at night, so I'm gonna add some clips here that I'll just take later tonight when it's dark. So here's that.